In this video, we see how you can mapping out the chart with supply and demand in higher time frame as well as in lower time frame in TradingView, how you can change the colors of the candles, how you can change the background color, which are the important tools that you need in SMC trading in TradingView. So we cover this all topics in this video. Before we start the video, you can see here we start the mentorship program. In this program, we share the live market information as well as we just clear your funded account from $5,000 to $300K. We also start our signal program for Forex and as well as for Indian stock market and commodity market. Here you can see that these are the major tools that we used in TradingView. Here you can see that we can start with this new account. So this is the main page when you open the TradingView account. You can download the TradingView for Windows and use the desktop app before you start to mapping the chart. This is the home page of the TradingView account. You have to just click on this launch full chart view. Now you have to modify it based on your requirements. If you want light background or dark background, how you can change it, how you can change the colors of these candles, everything will be cleared in this video. Now we just go into the full screen mode. So here you can see that this is the symbol, or you can just tap shift plus F. So it just going into the full screen mode. You have to keep your chart neat and clean. So we just remove the all other things which are not required in our screen at the time of mapping out and at the time of trading. So we can remove this by just tapping the escape button and just click on the symbol in a right click. Now you can change open market status here. So the green tab is hidden. Now we just remove the OHLC values and now we just remove the bar changes value. We just remove the show buy sell buttons and we also don't require the indicator list. Before we clear the indicator titles, argument and values, you just don't need to insert any indicator while you take a trade into the market. Just learn price action full course SMC. Now we just remove the volume indicator. So we can see that now the lower portion of the chart is clean. Now again we go into the full screen mode. If you are a full-time trader, then use a dark theme. So we just remove the grids behind the candles. So just right click and going into the settings. Now going into the appearance. And here you can see that there is a grid lines, that is vertical and horizontal. Just go into this and click on white, and in vertical grid line again click on white. Now you can see that the background is clean. Now you can see that there is a solid and gradient. Whatever background you like, you can choose it from this point. We currently required a dark theme and I just only use the black theme. So you can see that after clicking on black, the total background is now black. Now this is our crosshair. You can see that this is our crosshair and our color is gray. So that is okay with me. If you want to change this color, you can change it from this point. Now we going into the symbol. Now this is the colors of the symbol: body, borders, wick. For uptrend, we convert the green candles into the white colors. We convert the borders into the white colors. And also we convert the wick into the white colors. So now you can see that the candles which are going in the upward direction, that are in white colors. Now we just change the color of the downward direction. The recent color is red color, but we change the color with orange. So we have to just click on the escape button, and we cannot see the price level on the right side, and also we don't see the timeline on the lower portion. So now right click, go into the settings, change the color of text into white. Now click the OK. Now you can see that this is our price level and also this is our time frame. So we are currently see the daily time frame. You can change it from this point into 15 minute or 4 hour as per your need. Now you can remove this price level and this line is totally disturbing while you mapping the chart. Just go into the symbol and uncheck the last price. Okay, so now this is my clean chart. You can save this template by just going into the setting and just click on the template and click on save as and give it a name. You just give it the theme name as White Falcon FX. Now we see how you can mapping out the chart with our tools. Click on escape button. Now you see that before we start the mapping techniques, first you have to just click on the star. So this make a panel. So click on arrow. So this is the ray line, which is also important, and the other lines are not important at this time. You have to just click on the Fibonacci retracement. Now next is, that is the brush, highlighter, rectangle. There is a path. Now in the text field, you have to just click on the text, then go into long position, short position. There is one important tool, and that is the crosshair. Now just going into full screen mode, you can see that this is our Nifty 50 index and how you can draw the supply and demand in 15 minute, 4 hour, 1 day and 1 minute. For both supply and demand, I use particular colors and that are similar to our candles. So you have a decent look in your chart, and we start with supply. This is our 15-minute time frame. So you can see that there is a range at this point. So just click on this rectangle and press the control button. Click on the highest level of this range. So we find out this and just click on the control. This is our lowest level and click the control button. I can also send the color combination of this supply demand in the Telegram channel. So I send the PowerPoint and the color code and the what are the opacity that requires in 15 minute, 4 hour, 1 day and 1 minute time frame. I will send it to you. Before I go into the color combination, this is our 1 day time frame. So I just type here daily and the color code for this daily. For supply, I use the orange color, and for daily, you can see that the daily is printed on the left side of the upper corner. So you have to make it in inside and also in the center. So now it is in the center. So okay. Now again you have to go into the line tool colors and use the orange color. What are the models that you have to use for daily, 4 hour, 15 minute and 1 minute time frame? So this is the daily supply level, and we have to just remove this inside color with a black. Put the mouse cursor on daily and just click the control button and then click this button. So you can see that there is a copy of this daily supply. Now the line color of this 4 hour supply is also orange and the opacity is around 40%. Now the inside color is also orange and at a 24% opacity, and you have to change the text with 4 hour. So this is my 4 hour supply. Again we go into the 15 minute. You have to change the text with 15 minute. So for 15 minute the border opacity is 40% and the inside color 33%. Now we go into 1 minute time frame. You have to just remove the line color, the inside color, and that is around 43%. And also you don't require any text for now. These are the four which are very important. But when you start with weekly supply, for daily supply, you can change the line tool with 40% opacity and the inside color orange and the inside color is 15%. So these are the 5 time frames. Now you can see that how we can draw the demand area in different time frames. So this is our 1 minute supply level. So we just click control and just drag it. Our color is white color. So this is our 1 minute demand level. Put the cursor on 15 minute and click on the control button and drag the mouse on the right side and just change the color. You have to also change the line color white. Also change the text color white. So this is my 15 minute demand level. Again drag this 4 hour change the all colors in white parameter. This is our 4-hour demand. This is our daily supply and demand in different time frames and in different gradient. So you have to just make your design and your color combination, and after that you have to just make template of each of them. Just go into the weekly, then click on this button. Now save drawing template. This is our weekly supply. So just type weekly supply and click save. So I just make a template of all of them in a quick way. And just one of the remaining thing, and that is the flip. Here you have to type flip, and this is our flip which is used in every time frame. Now we draw the breakup structure and change of character for each and every time frame. So first you have to just click on the line parameter, then put the cursor at this point and press Ctrl and then click, and just click on the shift button and just drag the mouse till this level. Now change the color. Now again same situation. If the price is going in the upward direction and it breaks the continue previous higher high, draw the breakup structure with the candle which are used the same color of the bullish candle. We can see that this is my breakup structure and I just use the white color at this point. So this is a 15-minute time frame. So for all of them same situation. You have to just go into this setting, click on the text and use 15 and change the color white. And also you have to just go to dashed line, or you can also take on the dotted line. So this is our 15-minute demand. Now from same you can change the text, or you can also type breakup structure or boss, which are used in 1 minute. The similar we can apply for the supply. We have to just change the color, and the color is orange for the supply. So you can see that I just changed the line color, and that is the orange. You can see that. Now we also change the text color. Now you see that this is my breakup structure for all of the time frame. Now we have to just use the change of character for the 4 time frames that are the major: 15-minute, 4-hour, daily and weekly. For now I use the yellow color. So you can see that this is my 15-minute. So I just go into the text and use 15 CHOCH, and the color is yellow. So this is my 15-minute change of character, and also the line color which is also yellow. So this is my 15-minute change of character. Similarly, the change of character and breakup structure which is covered in our upcoming videos. So these are the basic things which are required in SMC while you mapping the chart. Now we have to just make a templates of all of them. So now we start with the 1 minute breakup structure. So this is my 1 minute demand. This is my 15-minute demand. I just make it in a quick way. Now the only thing is remaining, that is liquidity. For liquidity, you can choose for uptrend liquidity as a white color, and for downtrend you can use the orange color. For liquidity, you can use the sign of dollar, or you can use any symbol. And similar, we can use the liquidity for downtrend. So this is the video on TradingView, how you have to mapping out the chart in dark theme with the same color combination which I used. You can also modify the color combination based on your choice. But you have to remember that the colors which you choose for your time frame, which must be same with your candles, and it looks very decent when you mapping the chart. So if you have any doubts regarding this video, you can comment us in this video. The color combination and the color code is also sent on the Telegram. So if you like the video, share it and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.